Hey guys, here we are in the shop, F-22. Got the down and lock system installed. Looks like a mess of wires right now, but anyway, got one servo on each nose gear door. There's the retract unit, and back here's the down and locked on the mains. And one receiver set up there. Two receivers, RS module. Anyway, two servos on each side of the gear. I had to make those little brackets there, and anyway, that's pretty much it. Fairly happy with the result. It's reliable and seems to work well. Here we go. That's it. See you in the air.